Welcome back to Gadget Beer. Today we're diving into the Google Pixel Fold and discussing some aspects that left me less than impressed. Don't get me wrong, it is an impressive device, but let's address a few areas where I felt it fell short. Gadget Beer. First off, we have stylus support, do we? Now, as many of you know, the Pixel Fold lacks US size stylus support. This is a missed opportunity. With its larger screen real estate, having a stylus option would have been fantastic for productivity and creativity purposes. It is a feature that can be found on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Fold 5, Google's only competition in the foldable market. Having stylus support would have taken this device to the next level, don't you agree? Next, there's this small seam between the screen and the bezel. Although it may not be a deal breaker for everyone, it's worth mentioning. The gap can collect dust or debris over time, making it difficult to keep the phone looking clean and pristine. Having it made of all glass but keeping the same bezel size and only the cutouts for the hinge would have made this foldable stand out from the rest and worth its $1,800 price tag. Moving on, another aspect that left me wanting more is the outer frame and hinge. Sure, the build quality is solid and feels premium, but when dealing with devices like this and cases, often the hinge gets left exposed and is subject to minor scratches, fingerprints, and feels slippery at times. Having a non-glossy satin finish like on the Google Pixel 7a would have eliminated the need for a case, visible fingerprints, and scratches on the Pixel Fold. Lastly, the thermals of the Pixel Fold. While we understand that devices can heat up during intense usage, the Pixel Fold has shown occasionally warming issues with its processor, the Tensor G2. It is not a deal breaker, but it is a concern. It would have been great to see improved thermals or a more effective cooling solution implemented to ensure a consistently comfortable user experience this time around, considering they had ample time to come up with a solution since the launch of the Pixel 7. So there you have it, folks. The Google Pixel Fold, an impressive device, but not without its flaws. Lack of stylus support, the visible seam between the screen and bezel, the need for a non-glassy satin coating on the outer frame and hinge, and occasionally thermals that warm up the phone. These are areas where I felt the Pixel could have done better and would love to see addressed in the next iteration, the Google Pixel Fold 2. As always though, it is important to remember that these are just my observations and my opinions. Your experience may differ. I encourage you to try out the Pixel Fold for yourself and form your own conclusions. With that being said, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!